Have you ever spent a long time waiting on the LRT or MRT station for a train, not knowing when it will arrive? Philstar Life tried this new app called Rush PH, which shows you an estimate of when trains will get to different stations. The way Rush PH works is you access it via browser on your mobile device. Just select the train line you're riding and the station where you're at to see how long before the train on your side arrives.
So the inspiration behind the Rush PH app is based from a sole comparison between countries. Thailand, Singapore, then Philippines. Because I recently went there this year, then inisip ko, bakit wala tayong ganito sa Pilipinas? Bakit kailangan pa natin antayin ng walang timers or estimators or whatsoever? From that starting point, nagtanong ako to other commuters, pares lang ba tayo ng nakukuhang problem? Na gusto nyo rin bang magkaroon ng parang malaman kung kailan pumupunta yung train? Gusto nyo rin bang makakita ng timer kung kailan siya pupunta? It's community-based, so I really need help from everyone to report na kapag nandun na ba yung train, sana matulungan nyo ako mag-report kasi you're not just helping yourself, but you're helping other commuters as well.
In the app, users can sign up to report train sightings and help the timers get more accurate.
Since the app just started, I cannot ensure like 100% full accurate na siya. But we're at 79 to 82% accuracy based from the math na we have right now.
We tried the app to see things for ourselves by going on 2 trips on the LRT-1, LRT-2, and MRT-3, namely United Nations Station to Doroteo Jose, Recto Station to Araneta Center Cubao, and Cubao to Ortigas. We opened Rush PH when we reached the platforms. We observed that for 5 out of the 6 trains we took, they arrived in a minute or 2, despite the app saying it may take up to 6 minutes. It was during the last train ride from Recto Station past 6 p.m. when we got the "No trains currently en route" message stating that the ETA is 5 to 10 minutes. After 4 minutes, an empty train greeted the thickening crowd, which quickly filled up seconds after the doors opened. While the trains arrived earlier than predicted on Rush PH in our test, it doesn't diminish the app's usefulness, especially for the majority of commuters. It was also easy to use and navigate, even with a modest phone powered by mobile data. Josh developed Rush PH on his free time. While Google Maps does show a timer in its app, Rush PH stands out for its simple design, which was born out of Josh's goal to make it a one-size-fits-all app.
Iisa lang siya, iisa lang yung purpose niya, and that's what makes it very, very useful. And at the same time, it's very easy to navigate for our fellow commuters na hindi talaga tech-savvy. Like our older demographic, the senior citizens, and the people na talagang first time lang makahawak or first time na talaga mag-navigate through the technology itself. As an iOS developer, what I learned in work, it should be mobile accessible, meaning it should work for everyone despite their screen sizes, despite their OS, and yun din yung nag-udyok sa akin bakit hindi ko po siya pinupush sa App Store, Play Store, kasi una, solo developer lang ako, and it requires a lot of resources to, put it out on the market. And second, yung cost din kasi. This is just a passion project lang talaga in the first place. I didn't really expect na it will boom na ganito. That's why ngayon, cost-effective kasi siya sa web, and at the same time, kahit mababa yung type na model ng phone mo, mararun mo pa rin siya kasi you only require an internet.
Apart from estimates for arrival time, Rush PH also has a map of the 3 train lines, the LRT 1 and 2 and MRT 3. Currently, there are no ads on the website. Josh pays for everything out of his own pocket.
Dapat talagang way paano ma-monetize. Yung iba gusto mag-donate. Siyempre, kinukuha ko lang, pero ni-reinvest ko lang ulit sa site. Like yung pag-buy ng domain. I really wanna help the Filipino commuters, to ease the process of commuting. Kasi sa sobrang hirap ng buhay ngayon, dapat pag-aanin na natin yung isang parte ng proseso ng buhay na yun. So,
Josh plans to expand beyond trains in Metro Manila and also create timers and estimators for the EDSA bus carousel and, in the future, provincial buses. For now, he's focused on further improving Rush PH's estimators.
Contribute lang through our report feature kahit na nagko-commute kayo or makalimutan nyo siya, sana makapag-contribute kayo para ma-improve lang din natin yung estimation process dito sa ating LRT MRT estimating app.